everyone, we are from Group 5. Our experiment is about effect of temperature and anaerobic respiration in yeast. These are members of Group 5. Introduction. Yeast can survive in the presence and absence of oxygen. During baking, yeast transform the permeable sugar in the dough to carbon dioxide. It causes the bread soft and spongy feel. Objective: to determine reaction of respiration in yeast on different temperature. These are the things that we need in this experiment. So these are the methods in this experiment. Firstly, we need to label each plastic cup with cold, hot, warm and body temperature labels. Next, put the same amount of sugar into each plastic cup. Put the different temperature of water into each plastic cup. Make sure you put the equal amount of water. Next, give all liquids a stir, not too much, that the sugar start dissolving completely. Okay, now add shaker of yeast in each plastic cups. Make sure you add same amount in each cup. Next, mark the current level of water on the plastic cup with marker pen. Please make sure you mark it accurately. Next, let them for 5 minutes and cover it. After 5 minutes have passed, mark the thickness of foam. Now, measure the length of initial mark and current mark with a ruler and record the data. Lastly, repeat step 7 until 9 for another 5 minutes. Then, repeat the step in each 5 minutes until the experiment makes up 13 minutes.
For the first glass, which contains cold water, has a relatively lower temperature than the other 3 glasses of solution. This temperature is not an optimal temperature, so less sugar break down into glucose, resulting in less production of carbon dioxide bubbles. The rate of respiration is low and yeast grow at a slower rate. The second glass contains boiling water with temperature near 100 degrees Celsius. Yeast doesn't show obvious growth due to the denaturing of the enzyme. Yeast may be killed under such high temperature and no cellular respiration will take place. The rate of respiration in boiling water is the lowest. The third glass contains warm water, which is quite high temperature, nearly 60 degrees Celsius. Yeast may be killed and no cellular respiration will take place. Rate of respiration is decreasing and yeast doesn't show obvious growth. The last glass, which contains body temperature, which is probably 36 or 37 degrees Celsius. This temperature is an optimal temperature. Yeast can break down many sugar into glucose and many energy was produced. Many carbon dioxide bubble was produced, and this glass show the fastest growth of yeast. Rate of respiration in yeast at the body temperature is the highest. To conclude, anaerobic respiration in yeast require an optimal temperature to work efficiently to produce energy by breaking down sugar into glucose.
I told you long ago on the road, I got what they waiting for. Don't run from nothing, dog. Get your soul. Just tell 'em ain't laying low.